Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you some products from the brand Born Pretty. They reached out to me and asked would I like to receive some of their products, and I said yes. So I'm going to show you guys everything that they sent me. Very excited. So the first one was a metallic painting gel, and I was really glad to get this because I do have the gel bottle ink one, and I do want to try a more affordable one because it's really good to compare those metallic painting gels because they do tend to dull under top coats. So I'm excited to see this one. Also, they gave me a little brush, and I didn't know at all what was coming, so it was like a little surprise getting this package. So here I am looking at the brush. Very excited to get another detailer brush because I use this in all aspects of doing nails. And then they also sent me some of their tips. So I am going to have a little design at the end where I use everything that they sent me, and I'm going to use their full cover tips, and then the gels are here including a super shine top coat. So I'm going to actually swatch them on the tips for you now in a couple of seconds, and yeah, just enjoy me opening up. So here we have the painting gel, and I'm just going to open it up and show you a side by side to the gel bottle inks version. I can already tell by holding it and the way that it runs around the pot that is a little bit runnier, which is not necessarily a bad thing. And then when I opened it up and put them side by side, you can tell that Born Pretty's one is a little bit more on the shiny metallic side, and the gel bottle inks is a little more like chrome, not as shiny but just a little bit chromier. And I'm going to start off with swatching these guys on the tips. So first of all is the jelly pink, and I'm going to do 2 coats of everything, and I'm just going to let you watch me swatching these, and I'm going to come back to you when I'm going to swirl on the little design that I do with the paint and gel. Sorry if my voice sounds really off today. I just have a little bit of a cold / sore throat. So I'm just going to let you watch me swatching instead of listening to my croaky voice, and I'll come back to you in a few minutes. So that is the first coat of CG103. It is a gold, fabulous gold with medium and fine glitter. It's so sparkly. This is CG101, which is a holographic silver. And I'm going to do 2 coats of everything. And at the end, I will show you all the colours with 2 coats and the top coat. But when I tell you how sparkly these polishes are, they really are. You'll see it at the end now when I have the camera on and I have the nails on myself. But yeah, I was familiar with Born Pretty. I've obviously seen it everywhere, and I have their stamping polishes and their stamping plates. But honestly, if you are looking for affordable gel products and gel tools, it definitely is such a good website. I will have a 10% discount code in my description box. If you want to use it, I will leave it there, and I will also leave a link to these products that I've shown you today. This gold here is just, I wish I had this at Christmas because the camera doesn't even do justice to how sparkly it is. It is absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, it's just a true gold, just a real true gold. But here I am now. I'm just going to do the second coat of the hollow silver, and I'll be back to you in a few seconds with the design. Okay, now to try out the painting gel, the metallic painting gel, I'm just going to dip the brush that I got sent into the gel, and I'm going to do a simple swirl design just to try out the consistency of this metallic painting gel. So the way I said earlier that it is thinner, it definitely is thinner and runnier, but it doesn't affect the way that it actually sits on the nail. So you can see here, like, it doesn't disperse everywhere. It stays in the one spot. It's actually a little bit easier to work with, because some gels, once, particularly these metallic chromy gels, once you stick the brush into the pot, the gel almost hardens itself onto the bristles of the brush, but that did not happen at all with this product. I was very happily here just playing with it and making sure my little swirl was nice. And yeah, I really enjoyed the consistency of this one. Absolutely. I'm just going to do another little swirl just alongside it, and then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. And the real tester is to see how it looks once it's cured and once the top coat is cured over it, because that's where I find, like, it lets down. Like, a lot of metallic gels are let down once the top coat is cured over it. So I'm really excited to see how that looks. So here it is out of the lamp with the top coat on, and look how shiny it is. It still has maintained a lot of its shine. If I'm completely honest with you, that actually performs better than the other brand that I have that is a lot more expensive. So yeah, this is definitely such a good one to have. I would snap this one up if you don't already have it. But here is the finished design on my nails with those gorgeous tips. They are fab. Thank you so much, Born Pretty, for sending me these over, and please subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment any questions you may have. I'll get back to you as soon as possible, and I'll see you in the next one.